there was an SOS call that was made by the Chandan Devi Hospital today morning. More than 200 patients admitted at the hospital in need of oxygen. A hospital official said that the oxygen finished at 7:15 this morning. Currently, there are 50 patients on oxygen support in the hospital. Meanwhile, cops, Delhi police say that they transported oxygen in cylinders in DTC buses. Police officials say that 21 cylinders reached the hospital, but hospital says they need over 100 kgs in order to be able to sustain it. Akshay is at this particular hospital at the moment. This is the Mata Chandan Devi Hospital in the national capital. Akshay, what's the current situation?
Well, if you're talking about the current situation here at Mata Chandan Devi Hospital, I can show you there is the vehicle that is parked inside the hospital, and in these kind of vehicles, oxygen cylinders are now being transported to the hospital. There have been around 4 to 5 supplies that have reached hospital since the SOS call was made. So it can be assumed that approximately 50 cylinders since morning have reached here, but the hospital still maintains that this is a very temporary solution as far as the bigger problem is concerned, because the tanker which requires liquid oxygen inside the hospital, that is empty, and to refill that, the tanker that started from Rajasthan was stopped at the border. So this remains the big worry. In fact, how the government is going to ensure smooth supply of oxygen to all the hospitals in the national capital remains a big worry, because yesterday we saw one after another hospitals are reporting shortage of oxygen. Then they are trying to reach out to the authorities, and in a desperate bid, many of the hospitals have also started to reach out to the media to amplify their plea to supply oxygen, whereas certain hospitals were provided oxygen last night and today morning, but there are a lot of hospitals like this one. They still haven't received their required share of oxygen that they have been asking from the authorities. In fact, as you have mentioned, approximately 100 kgs of oxygen is required by the hospital, but that requirement has still not been met. And this remains a big worry, because there are approximately 200 patients inside the hospital of COVID-19, and around 50 of them are in constant need of oxygen supply. So this remains, whereas a temporary respite, but the bigger respite, that is a continuous supply of oxygen, that still has not been resorted by the authorities.
So, if I understand you correctly, the Mata Chandan Devi Hospital is still running on those 21 oxygen cylinders that were delivered by the Delhi police in the DTC bus. They haven't gotten, any kind of vehicle with medical oxygen coming in since then, Akshay.
Well, Rishika, let me just clear it once again. In the morning, there were approximately 21 cylinders that were transported by the Delhi police, and after that, there have been vehicles continuously coming in. Those vehicles have provided around 30 more oxygen cylinders. However, the liquid oxygen that is required, and that is required to fill the tank inside the hospital, that has still not been met by the authorities, or rather by the government as far as the requirement is concerned. So that remains a big worry. These are temporary solution that is being provided just to keep the oxygen flowing to the patients. But the bigger problem, and that is the empty cylinder tank, empty oxygen tank that is inside the hospital, that has not been refilled as of now.
Right. Akshay, we'll keep coming back to you for more updates. Meanwhile, this is what Dr. A.C. Shukla, the medical superintendent at the Mata Chandan Devi Hospital, had to say just a short while ago.
अभी कोई 7:30 के आसपास जो है हमारे पास फर्स्ट बैच आ गया था, अराउंड 21 सिलेंडर्स का, डी टाइप के, और हमें प्रॉमिस किया है कि नेक्स्ट बैच भी 20 सिलेंडर्स का आ जाएगा. वो आ गया. That too has arrived within, say, half an hour's time. So that's something, in fact, good. But हमारे को जो ये हमारे को थोड़ी सी ब्रीदिंग स्पेस दे रहा है, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ कंजम्पशन 200 पेशेंट्स हैं कोरोना के ही, तो वो कंजम्पशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज टू हाई एक्चुअली. सो वी नीड टू हैव द लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन प्लांट. उसको हमारे को रिफिलिंग बड़ी जरूरी है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग टर्म में तो वही हमारे को हेल्प करेगा.
After SOS calls, an oxygen tank reached the Batra hospital last night. The Batra hospital oxygen level in the national capital was at nil. The situation was very critical and oxygen was urgently required. The supply was provided. The situation now, we're told, is normal. A shortage of oxygen was also reported at the Max Hospital in Saket, which is one of the biggest private hospitals in South Delhi. The matter was taken up by the concerned department of the hospital. It was later learnt that the tanker was on its way from Kashipur. Sensing the urgency of the situation, the SHO of Malviya Nagar was tasked to coordinate the escort of the tanker to the hospital. The SHO of Malviya Nagar, along with staff, they took position at the Apsara border and a green corridor was formed with sufficient force. The tanker was received at the Apsara border and was escorted to the Max Hospital without any wastage of time. These are all stories from what happened yesterday. Remember, these were after oxygen SOS calls were made. That oxygen was in fact mobilized to both the Batra Hospital as well as the Max Hospital.